So for this telehackathon, we created a way for smartphones, websites, or internet devices to control any sort of hardware that you see. So we believe that the Internet of Things will be very important in the short future. So we created a Python API that uses and improves 3 of AT&T's APIs. So we use speech-to-text, SMS, and payment to control any hardware device. So you're probably wondering what the setup is in the video. Our hack is very based on hardware. The server essentially in the cloud will do all the REST API processing, and this will communicate the end results to the Arduino that you see to your right hand side. The Arduino is here to control whether a device should be on or off. So the blue box that you see on top of our coffee maker is something that is a very basic switch. It provides either 120 AC or it provides 0 AC, and the Arduino will be able to switch it on or off. So right now, let's demonstrate how we use speech-to-text to turn off the lights and turn on the lights. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick setup. Lights on. Okay, now we're going to turn the light off. Lights off. So oftentimes what we want to do is to control devices remotely, which is an insanely powerful feature for everyday devices that can make our lives very, a lot easier. So what we have done is taken AT&T's SMS library and use it to physically control these devices. So right here, I have a text message. So it says "light on, dude," and basically, the dude you can just ignore, but "light on" is a command, and I'll press send. So now I send it. So right now the light should be turned on. Voila. In order to remotely control hardware, sometimes you also want to make your users pay, for example, to use a coffee maker. So what we have done is also allowed users to text in the service that they want to use, and then also a transaction code of their payment online, so that our server will basically verify if the transaction was valid, and then allows the user to use the service based on the transaction. So here, what we have is a text message saying "coffee maker on," and then the transaction code, and I'm going to send it. And so what's going to happen is that the coffee maker is going to be allowed. So you see that the message is now displaying, and we can simply press brew, and voila, we can make coffee. So we really want to thank all the communities of hackers across different continents that really helped us throughout the hackathon. The APIs from AT&T were also amazing, but simply the hacker community was great. Wow, it's boiling. So anyways, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the hack.